I'm Tom D and I want to show you how to generate talking photo based on your input text. First, go to the voice gallery of the speechmicrosoft.com/portal/voice gallery. Here is a catalog of the voices, so I can choose the language and gender. So I click on male, and there is a male called Thomas. Let's choose this one. On the right side, there is a listen to voice and sample code tab. Click on sample code and search for the speech synthesis voice name. Copy that name. On the page DIID, in a create video form, there is option to choose a presenter, and also there's option to generate AI presenter. I click on that and I specify the description like perfectly centered model of guy with hoodie on black leather, black skin color with white background. I click on generate and I got this image. So now, in your case, click on your image, right click on your image and choose option copy image address and save it somewhere. In the Postman, I will reuse one of the previously created requests. So I have the credential from the collection. So click on duplicate and here change the name. Create talk. Instead of credits, talks. Post type and save it. Now body and JSON. Now I reuse my previously created template as a source URL, the image. Right click on that, copy image address and use it as a URL. Put in a quotes like this. Voice ID is the ID from the Microsoft page. Now the input text is your text message. Save it and send it. To display the video, I will copy that ID here. So first I'm creating the new request, duplicate, change the name, get talk. Here I will leave like this, get body none, save. Now from this response, select the ID, place it at the end, save it and send it. Now there is a result URL at the end, and that you can open in a web browser.
I will give you a little speech. Surprised? Ha, that's cool. Because I am effortless.
I will add one more option after script. Click config and stitch to true. So now when I send it,
I will give you a little speech.
Now I want to have 4 different emotions during the video. Neutral, surprise, happy, and serious. So to achieve that, I have a text over here. But I want to use the tool called Descript. I loaded the video.
I will give you a little speech. Surprised? Ha.
And in this video, I can select each part here. For example, I will select the first part that I want it to be neutral. It showed me it will take 2.46 seconds. And I know I already checked that the frame rate of the video is 25 frames per second. To calculate it, I can use a calculator and 25, it means that 62 frames. So from 0 to 62 frame, it will be neutral. From 0 to 62. So I can specify this as another expression, 62. Surprise. And now the next one, to happy. Happy will start at 4. So now this will happen. The happy will be 102. Happy 102. Happy 102. Serious will start at 4.80 seconds. 4.80 seconds multiplied by 25, it will be 120. Click on send. Took some mistake. Neutral, happy, serious. Okay, surprise. Okay, I got them spell. Okay, send it as it is. Okay, done. Now I can get the video by ID. And video is here.
I will give you a little speech. Surprised? Ha ha, that's cool. Because I am effortless. I will give you a little speech. Surprised? Ha ha, that's cool. Because I am effortless. Ha.
Here the difference is visible. On the right side, after explicitly adding this happy expression, the smile is more wide. Deleting explicitly talk is similar to get statement. I'll duplicate that, change the name to delete. Delete talk. And I will change the get to delete. Save it, and that's it. I can run it. And then the video got deleted.